Hi everybody, my name is Matthew Pavusa. I am in the Bachelor of Bio-Resource Management program, majoring in environmental management, and I'm from Bolton, Ontario. I chose the Bachelor of Bio-Resource Management program because I liked the idea of combining the science and the business aspect of it instead of just focusing on a Bachelor of Commerce or a Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science. To be able to hybridize between the actual management aspect of the science and the research, I figured going forwards with job opportunities, there'd be a more sort of comprehensive field of jobs I could look for in the management sector instead of just having to do something solely like research. Experiential learning, there's been a few, ENVM 3500, and it's a group research course. So that allowed us to go out and actually communicate with members of the community. For an example, my project was in redesigning the Guelph groundwater source water master plan for the next 30 years. So we actually met with people from the city of Guelph and water engineers, professors in geology and economics in the university to sort of comprehensively create this research report. Elsewhere, I worked for a number of years with the Toronto Region Conservation Authority, and through taking a number of courses in mapping and GIS, which are both mandatory in the program and restricted electives, I was able to take some of the skills I'd learned there and apply it to actually designing maps with the data that I gathered as a field technician for my job. Through some of my research courses and courses such as plant health and ecology, as well as help from professors at the university, I've been able to get the opportunity to work on a research project on an agriculture university in Germany. Because it's a smaller program, you're working hand on hand with professors a lot, so there is the opportunity to develop that sort of professional relationship that can get those opportunities for you. As well as the idea of there's a lot of group projects. A lot of our courses have a big group work component, so being able to work with, especially on a long-term project over the course of the semester, one group and maintaining both group cohesion and making sure that you're staying on track and working together, I found that to be a really big transferable skill from the program. Where I'm sort of leaning to right now, which is one of the streams that BBRM Environment Management is tailored towards, is environmental consulting work. So working with private sector or public sector and government to do consulting and do things like look at the sustainability of things like in Canada, especially the oil sands and forestry and other sort of major natural resource industries. As well, you could look into things like private organizations looking at sustainable travel and ecotourism and other avenues like that. Choose the program that fits best for you. If you're interested in things like natural sciences and environmental sciences, Guelph is a great place to be because they have the facilities, they have the networking opportunities, and it's a beautiful green campus. So I highly recommend it.